Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you get back the YouTube dislikes on your YouTube account. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So all you have to do here guys is go ahead and make sure that you are signed into your account, and to bring back the dislike button and see the dislike numbers, all you need to do is go over to the Chrome Web Store and search for YouTube dislikes, and you just have to go ahead and use this one, return YouTube dislike. And all you have to do here guys is just add this to Chrome, and there. So as you can see, you can go ahead and modify this. So there and there guys. So all you have to do guys is just refresh your YouTube and you should be good to go. So okay guys, that is all for today. Thanks for watching and goodbye.